Hello dear friends, welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية الماشي. In today's vocab we are going to learn together how to ask and say the date and time in English. في مفردات اليوم سوف نتعلم معا كيف نسأل عن التاريخ واليوم باللغة الإنجليزية. After watching this short video, you should be able to understand, ask and say the date and day in English easily. So let's start it now. بعد مشاهدة هذا الفيديو القصير أتوقع منكم أن تكونوا قادرين على فهم وطرح أسئلة عن التاريخ اليوم بكل سهولة، لذا دعونا نبدأ الآن. Okay, to ask about the date in English, it is as easy as the following. We say, what is the date today? What is the date today? What is the date today? للسؤال أو الاستعلام عن تاريخ اليوم باللغة الإنجليزية بكل سهولة كالآتي. What is the date today? What is the date today? أي بمعنى ما هو تاريخ اليوم. And the answer is it is the 24th. إنه الرابع والعشرون. Or it is the 24th of August. إنه الرابع والعشرون من شهر أغسطس أي شهر 8. Or it is the 24th of August 2019. إنه الرابع والعشرون من شهر 8 2019. Or today is the 24th of August 2019. أو تاريخ اليوم هو الرابع والعشرون من شهر أغسطس 2019. More examples. It's the 1st of January. It's the 2nd of February. It's the 3rd of March. It's the 4th of April. It's the 5th of May. It's the 6th of June. It's the 7th of July. It's the 8th of August. It's the 9th of September. It's the 10th of October. It's the 11th of November. And finally, it's the 12th of December. To ask about the day, we have got 4 different ways. عن كيفية الاستفسار أو السؤال عن اليوم لدينا 4 طرق مختلفة. أولهما What is the day today? What day is it today? What day is today? What day is it? أي بمعنى ما هو اليوم. To answer to that we might say للجواب على تلك الأسئلة يمكننا القول It is Friday. إنه يوم الجمعة. Today is Friday. اليوم هو يوم الجمعة. It is Thursday. It is Saturday. It is Monday or it is Tuesday. So this is what we have for today. I hope you like it. Until next time. Cheers. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية الماشي. Okay, this time we are going to have a look and see the difference between a cardinal and an ordinal numbers. Well, basically, a cardinal number is a number that says how many of something are there in the list. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. While on the other hand, An ordinal number is a number that tells you the position of something. For instance, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So let's have them one by one. Alright, so let's do the cardinals first. And they are as following: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, 31, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we use them to count things. Alright, now let's do the ordinals. And they are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. Well, this is what we have for today from Learn English as you go or تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. I hope you like it. Until next time. Cheers. Bye. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الكرام في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's vocab we are going to have a new word which is homesick. في مفردات اليوم سوف نتناول كلمة جديدة ألا وهي homesick أي بمعنى يشتاق إلى الوطن أو يشعر بالحنين إلى الوطن. So let's do the definition and some examples. So let's do it. Let's do it now. So, how and when does a person get homesick? Well, homesick when you are feeling unhappy because of being absent, being away from home for a long period. In another word, homesick is an emotional feeling. You experience it when you move out to a new city, country, away to a university, or going on holidays. It is a condition which affects many adults who moved out of home, especially for the first time. Example times: he is homesick for his country only after 5 weeks in America. هو يشعر بالحنين إلى بلده أو يشتاق إلى بلده بعد قضائه 4 أسابيع فقط في أمريكا. As he was reading his mother's letter, he began to feel more homesick. بينما كان يقرأ رسالة والدته بدأ يحن أو يشعر بالاشتياق إلى موطنه. Noha told me that she was homesick and she missed her family too. أخبرتني نوها بأنها تحن إلى الوطن وكذلك اشتاقت إلى أهلها. she is not only homesick but she is a very shy girl. هي لا تحن إلى الوطن فقط ولكنها فتاة خجولة. Many people feel homesick and they want to go back. كثير من الناس يحنون إلى أوطانهم ويريدون العودة. Alright, so homesick, it's not only the feeling of missing your hometown, but it is the feeling of missing your family, friends, a place where you are attached to, the society, the normal life which you are used to. So this is what we have for today from Learn English as You Go. تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية الماشي, presented to you by Idris Mercy. I hope you like it. Until next time, cheers, bye.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah, Alhamdulillah.